going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are liking the content recently. Today we got another day back home, which I'm so grateful for. Just be back on home turf. And we're also joined by partner in crime. I cannot wait to get I don't even know what they're called. I guess it's just called a recorder. But to put that under my seat and to keep it stationary, because I tried to keep my phone under there and it's just been a nightmare with it jumping around. I watched a few videos on it and I think I know what I gotta do. This bike has woken up so much. Hopefully we can get a little action with this FJR behind me. See, I don't think I've raced it before. So we have a joke going on because my bike, of course, doesn't have four-ways. Almost all of his bikes have it. So every time he'll get in front of me and hit him, I gotta give him the finger. Just gotta let him know he might have the four-ways, but I got the pops, you know what I mean? And I will say, having someone like a friend, your stepdad, your dad, your mom, whatever it may be, just having that ability to share it with someone, even if it's with your girl on the back. I mean, at least you have someone there with you to appreciate motorcycles for what they are. I've heard almost every day this week someone else has passed from a motorcycle, and if anybody has lost anybody, my heart goes out to you. And if there's other people out there that can't respect motorcycles for what they are, you got to look twice, look three, look four times. Just that extra second can save someone's life. I couldn't hear the horn, but for going when he's going, that's pretty good. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh. Yeah, that's our first time like hitting on it over 100. Yeah, that's this thing gets busy now. You can just stay there, a little copy cop, please. Car insurance is way too nice right now, which I think is funny. So I got a 2014 Focus. I kept full coverage on it after I paid it off. My car insurance is $60 more a month than my bike is. But hey, I'm not complaining, you know? So I think I'm ending the video here. But if you liked the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new, and we'll see you on the flip side. Peace.